Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to pass CompTIA Core 1. We will cover essential strategies and key areas to focus on for your certification. This guide aims to simplify your preparation, ensuring you feel confident and ready. By following these steps, you can effectively prepare for the exam and achieve your certification goals with ease. Let's get started on your path to success. To truly master the Core 1 material, diversify your learning resources. Combine official CompTIA study guides with engaging video lectures and hands-on labs. Consistency is key. Aim for regular study sessions, perhaps 1 to 2 hours each day, rather than cramming. Practice exams are invaluable for identifying weak areas and familiarizing yourself with the question format. Remember, active recall strengthens your memory. The CompTIA Core 1 exam is divided into several key domains, each with a specific weight. Mobile devices makes up 24%, covering smartphones and tablets. Networking accounts for 20%, focusing on network types and protocols. Hardware is a significant 27%, delving into computer components. Finally, virtualization and cloud computing represent 16% of the test. Understanding these weights helps prioritize your study. On exam day, preparation extends beyond just studying. Ensure you get at least 8 hours of sleep the night before and have a nutritious breakfast. Arrive at the testing center well in advance, perhaps 30 minutes early, to settle in without rush. During the 90-minute exam, read every question thoroughly and manage your time wisely. Stay calm, trust your preparation, and you will do great.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.